Hello everyone! I'm in the south side of Mount Etna, the highest active volcano in Europe, and I'm experiencing the tour of the Silvestri craters, some beautiful extinct craters. And now I'm gonna reach the center of the crater. We are at 6,000 feet above sea level. Mount Etna is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. It's a UNESCO site. For those who are wondering how safe Mount Etna is, please don't worry. This area is very, very safe. And we are very distant from the top craters. We are in a extinct crater. It's impossible that an extinct crater will work again. Now I am in the middle of the crater. And I'm glad to give you a personal tip. Don't forget to combine the visit of Mount Etna with one of the special, beautiful, historic wineries at the foot of the volcano. You will enjoy a great wine tasting and a great lunch. Of course, Mount Etna is included in all our group tours of Sicily, the Sicily Lovers Tour, and it can be included in all your custom private tours of Sicily. They will be available all year round according to your needs and passions. Feel free to check our website, bestthingsToDoInSicily.com, to check the available spots in the group tour, or contact us at info@bestthingsToDoInSicily.com if you want to book a fully customizable private tour of Sicily. Thanks for watching and see you the next one. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily!